Year-over-year, YoY, sales growth is a common requirement in business intelligence. In DAX, you can achieve this by leveraging time intelligence functions such as same period last year, calculate, and filter. This calculation allows businesses to analyze trends and growth rates over time, offering insights into performance relative to the previous year. Understanding YoY growth. YoY growth formula. The formula for calculating year-over-year growth is as follows. YoY growth equals current year sales minus previous year sales. Previous year sales multiply 100. Text YoY growth equals frat text current year sales text previous year sales text previous year sales times 100. YoY growth equals previous year sales current year sales minus previous year sales multiply 100. DAX implementation. To calculate YoY sales growth, we will create two measures, one for current year sales and one for previous year sales, and then compute the growth percentage. 1. Measure for current year sales. DAX. Current year sales. Calculate. Sum sales amount. Filter date year equals year today. 2. Measure for previous year sales. DAX. Previous year sales. Calculate. Sum sales amount. Same period last year, date. Explanation. Current year sales. This measure calculates the total sales for the current year using the year today function to dynamically get the current year. Previous year sales. This measure uses the same period last year function to retrieve sales data from the same period in the previous year based on the date column. 3. Measure for YoY sales growth. DAX. YoE growth. If previous year sales not equal to 0. Divide current year sales previous year sales into 100. Blank. Explanation. If statement. This ensures that if the previous year's sales are 0, the measure returns blank to avoid division errors. Divide function. It safely handles division and prevents errors by returning blank if the denominator is 0. Calculation. The formula calculates the growth percentage by subtracting the previous year sales from the current year sales, dividing the result by the previous year sales, and multiplying by 100 to express it as a percentage. Usage in reports. When creating reports in Power BI, you can use the YoE growth measure in visualizations to show performance trends, helping stakeholders make informed decisions based on historical data. Best practices. Time intelligence functions. Always utilize DAX's built-in time intelligence functions for accurate and efficient calculations related to dates. Dynamic measures. Ensure that your measures are dynamic and respond to filters applied in the report, allowing users to slice the data by different time periods, monthly, quarterly, etc. Consider context. Be mindful of the context in which measures are calculated, especially in visuals with multiple filtering dimensions. Common interview tip. In interviews, be ready to discuss how you would handle edge cases, such as data for incomplete years or months, and how to ensure the measures are optimized for performance.